The Moolan cordless pool vacuum cleaner is a cutting-edge robotic pool cleaner designed to simplify pool maintenance. With its dual-motor technology, extended runtime, and versatile cleaning capabilities, this vacuum cleaner is a game-changer for above-ground and in-ground pools of up to 1,000 square feet. Efficient cleaning with dual-motor technology. The Moolan cordless pool vacuum cleaner is equipped with dual motors, ensuring powerful and efficient cleaning performance. The first motor propels the vacuum, enabling it to move swiftly across the pool floor and walls. The second motor operates the suction system, effectively collecting debris of all sizes, from fine particles to leaves and twigs. With this innovative dual motor technology, your pool will be spotlessly clean in no time. Cordless and self-parking convenience. Say goodbye to tangled cords and the hassle of finding a power outlet near your pool. The Moolan cordless pool vacuum cleaner operates wirelessly, providing you with the freedom to clean your pool without any restrictions. The vacuum's self-parking feature ensures hassle-free storage and convenient charging. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the vacuum automatically returns to its docking station, ready for the next cleaning session. Extended runtime for thorough cleaning with a maximum runtime of 140 minutes. The Moolan cordless pool vacuum cleaner offers impressive cleaning endurance. This prolonged operation time allows the vacuum to meticulously clean larger pools, up to 1,000 square feet without interruption. The extended runtime ensures that every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned, providing you with sparkling and inviting water for endless enjoyment. Versatile cleaning for all pool types. Whether you have an above-ground pool or an in-ground one, the Moolan cordless pool vacuum cleaner is designed to cater to both. Its adaptive cleaning technology ensures efficient cleaning on different pool surfaces, including flat pools, tiled pools, and vinyl liner pools. The vacuum's intelligent navigation system detects obstacles and adjusts its cleaning pattern accordingly, ensuring a comprehensive and thorough cleaning for your pool. Easy to use and maintain. Operating the Moolan cordless pool vacuum cleaner is simple and user-friendly. With just the touch of a button, you can initiate the cleaning cycle and let the vacuum do the rest. The vacuum's filter can be easily accessed and cleaned, ensuring optimal suction power and efficiency for future cleaning sessions. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction make handling and storage effortless. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.